Hello, everybody. This is the story of the leap of faith. What is in you which can choose to make something change, which can choose to change others' life also, which can choose to change others' vision. So let me give you an example. There was a mother duck. She was near to the lake along with her ducklings, and ducklings were very happy. They were making the sound of quacking. Even the mother duck was very much happy. All of a sudden, something dragged her attention, as she felt that something is following her along with her ducklings. When she looked back, there was a fox. She completely got frightened. She was unable to think out of the box. What to do, what not to do, it was in her mind. She shouted, "Children, there's a fox. Run towards the lake. Make it fast." All ducklings started running towards the lake. But in this situation, the mother duck did not leave the hope. She did not lose the hope. What she did, she just went away from their children and started running and dragging her left wing on the ground. While seeing this incident, fox understood that mother duck is completely hurt. She felt that the fox felt that it seems she is hurt. It means mother duck. So why not to eat her and fill up the stomach? So leaving her ducklings, fox started running towards mother duck, and mother duck was waiting up to their ducklings reaching the lake, and she also was behaving like that her left wing was completely hurt. As fox was completely gonna catch mother duck, grab mother duck, and in meanwhile the all ducklings reached in the lake. Mother duck saw when her all ducklings reached in the lake, she completely began to fly and spread her wings, and she rose completely above, and she directly reached in the middle of the lake. Like this, she tricked the fox because there was a leap of faith in her. She changed the fox's vision. How? Because she believed in herself. So this is the leap of faith. When people say to you that you cannot do it, it means they have not done in their life yet, and they are challenging your beliefs. So don't change your belief, even magnify them, broaden them, make them stronger, and prove them that you can do better than this. So this is the leap of faith. When I'm giving you the example only, except this nothing, I can give you another example. Like if somebody wants to invest in media, and you know very well, investing in media, it means you are not going to get the benefits now. But if somebody comes and proves, yes, there's a benefit, because the guy is watching everything through his vision, not through their vision. So this is the leap of faith. When people especially make it something possible, they choose to change the vision of others. Even they choose to change others' life also. So when you people have the leap of faith, you can make your life better, and even you can contribute your values in others' life. The greatest thing, the mother duck also had the leap of faith. That's why she tricked fox and she contributed some values in her children. So whenever some people are gonna say to you, you can't do it, it means they have not done it. You do it. Have the leap of faith in you. Thank you for listening to me.